This video will show you how to program the Yaesu FTM-100DR by using CHIRP, albeit indirectly. I'll assume you already have a copy of CHIRP, ADMS9, a Linux terminal emulator, and the bash script to convert CHIRP CSV to ADMS9 CSV, created by KM4SQS. If not, they can be found in the description below. First step is to perform a backup of the radio. Start by inserting a micro SD card into the appropriate slot. Power up the radio. We'll perform a backup by long pressing the setup key, scrolling to menu option 11, SD, selecting Backup, Write to SD, and All. Once complete, we'll power down the radio and remove the SD card. For this tutorial, I'll be loading 3 new frequencies into Memory Bank B for an event I'm working this weekend with the Huntsville Amateur Radio Club. Once everything is to my liking, I'll export to CSV. We'll call this one Event. Now we'll need to pull up a terminal. I'm using the Ubuntu terminal, part of the native Windows subsystem for Linux available on Windows 10. Take note that I've renamed KM4SQS's script to simply be called convert. Alright, here's how to use it. Enter the command bash convert. The I flag indicates the input CSV file, in our case, event. The O flag indicates the output file you will define. I'll call mine converted. The B flag indicates the memory bank you will be importing to. In my case, I'll be putting these 3 frequencies in memory bank B, so I'll type a letter B. Press enter and an ADMS9 CSV will be generated. Thanks to KM4SQS for this script. Now we'll pull up ADMS9. This is where the fun starts. You gotta pay close attention. All steps have to be completed in this order or it will not work. To begin, you'll first read your backup data from the SD card. This is in a .dat file the radio places in FTM-100D, backup, clone. Since I generated my CSV using the B option, I need to be on the Band B Memories tab to import it. To do this, we will go to File, Import, and locate our ADMS9 CSV we just generated. Importing this will overwrite what I already had in Bank B. You would assume we can write to the SD card now. Nope. Now we have to export the updated memories to an FT1D, FT2D formatted CSV file. Now you need to close and reopen ADMS9. We will grab our backup data from the SD card again. Now we can import the FT1D, FT2D CSV we just generated. You would assume we can write to the SD card now, and you would be correct this time. We'll overwrite the DAT file on the SD card. Success! Now back out in the rig, pop the card back into the radio, and power it up. Long press the setup key and return to menu option 11. To load our new configuration, we'll go to Backup, Read from SD, All. Select OK. The radio will read the file and then reboot. As you can see, my memory bank A has been untouched, and I now have 3 new channels in memory bank B. I hope this tutorial helps. 73, have a good one.